On number 9, we have Diam Power by K Chelo, Cliff Caden, and Vic Soul, currently sitting on 1 million views. On number 8, we have Mamene Mene by Shandesh featuring DJ Janisto and King Salah, sitting on 1.1 million views. On number 7, we have Shapa Bell by Nali Boyan King and Shandesh featuring King Wave Music, currently sitting on 1.3 million views. Yo, Shandesh wabula mfana. Wa dominator boy. Ha ha ha. So on number 6, we have Bambi by Tribe Wadi Boza featuring Shandesh, Linda Testana, currently sitting on 1.4 million views. Bambi, 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 and the nene wanaka. Yeah, yo, that's all I know. Bambi, 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 On number 5, we have Warning by Shandesh featuring Shebeshit, K Chelo, and King Salah, currently sitting on 1.8 million views. Lemu cheki mufa warning. Acheche. On number 4, we have Dubai by Karishma featuring Shebeshit, Mr. Nakwer, and Mr. Diego, currently sitting on 3 million views. Masha. Ayigwe. Kinyago dibona kele Dubai. Arieng. Moving on to the next one. So on number 3, we have Wanaka by Janesh and Hit Boss, currently sitting on 3.3 million views. On number 2, we have The Chopper by Shandesh and Mazul featuring Abiwa Mambela and Nali Boy, currently sitting on 5.7 million views. Guys, Shandesh is doing the most. I think it's safe to say that Shandesh is running Likompo this year. And last but not least, on number 1, we have Shandesh and Mazul again with Dudla or Slender, currently sitting on 5.8 million views. What did I say about Shandesh? Shandesh and Mazili. Hey, you guys, Jivisa hori this year. Jivisa guys, Jivisa. You have reached the end of the video, bro. So yeah, man, don't forget to subscribe so that you can stay updated for more Likompo content, because I'm still gonna post a lot of Likompo content here.